Hey guys, right, I just wanted to quickly jump onto LinkedIn. It'd be great if we could do live in the UK, but unfortunately it's still not come my way. When video live comes to LinkedIn in the UK, I will be jumping on this and sharing all my LinkedIn knowledge with all you job seekers out there and people in my network. Anyway, got me thinking, today I've been dealing with a couple of clients, and I always share my screen with them when I'm developing a CV and when I'm developing a high-end LinkedIn profile. And what has come to light is a lot of my clients, a lot of you guys out there, you don't know how to use the advanced search feature on LinkedIn, how to narrow that search down, how to target specific jobs in specific industries. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. Let me jump into a quick screen sharing session. So here's one of my desktops. Okay, LinkedIn. Right, so if we're searching for a job, in particular, say we're searching for something involved in the oil and gas and energy industry, maybe a project manager. So I'm going to come up the top here in the search box, and I'm going to type in project manager. And we'll just hit enter to bring up the initial list. Now what you have to do, you have to pick one of these: people, jobs, content, and more. I'm going to search jobs. So I've clicked the jobs tab, and then a bunch of jobs have come up. Now this is all industries in the United Kingdom, searching project manager. That's no good. You know, I want to narrow that down. I want to hone in on a specific industry. So I come over to this filters, and I click the filters, and then I can go industry, oil and energy, and then maybe I can change the location to Aberdeen. Not Aberdeen, Hong Kong. What we'll do, we'll add it up here. And also maybe a company, we'll put another filter on this, and we'll put a company in. Fine. Right, now you can see we've got a list of oil and gas jobs, Halliburton, Oceaneering. So we've now honed in on oil and gas. If you wanted to hone in on just one company, you could come into the filters again and say Halliburton. Oil and energy, apply. And then only the Halliburton ones are going to come here. So there is an advanced search filter that you can use on LinkedIn to find specific jobs, specific locations. Let's go back to the filters and talk what's here. So, you know, when it was posted, the industry, the job function, and the kind of experience level. And I find that so many of my clients, they don't even know that this filter is here. So, you know, when you're job searching, guys, check out this feature and start searching for jobs properly. If you need any advice, any help on job searching using LinkedIn, you know, please comment in the comments below. I'll be pleased to answer the question. Likewise, you know, follow me. I'm always posting interesting videos and articles about career advice, job seeking advice, LinkedIn optimization, things like that. Anyway, I'm Lee Woodruff from Bigger Fish. Have a great day. Catch you all later. Thanks.